Hi, I'm Father Jeff Smialek, and I'm one half of the campus ministry team here at Joliet Catholic Academy. Campus ministry, we are kind of the pastors of the school community. It's our job to foster and development the spiritual life of everybody here at JCA. Most importantly, our students, but also their families, and then our entire faculty and staff and their families as well. Well, we do that in a variety of ways. First and foremost, through the celebration of the sacraments, primarily the Eucharist. We have our all-school masses roughly once a month when we're not under quarantine, that is. We have our school masses roughly once a month, and they're wonderful celebrations. Our entire community together in the gym, and a great choir and a lot of student involvement, and it's just a great atmosphere, a great celebration for our all-school masses. We have daily masses, we have class masses, and we have mass together to celebrate the Eucharist together on numerous other occasions as well. We usually offer the sacrament of reconciliation formally twice a year during Advent and Lent, as well as myself and the other priests on campus are available at any time to see a student. And then we're always here to help with our other sacramental needs as well, baptisms and confirmations perhaps, anointings of the sick. If anyone is ill in one of your families, please let us know, and we're here for you in any of your sacramental and spiritual needs.
Hi, I'm Missy Ferro. I am actually the shorter other half of campus ministry at Joliet Catholic Academy. I want to tell you a little bit about our retreat programs that go hand in hand with the spiritual growth at the school. Retreats are something that are mandatory every year that you're here at Joliet Catholic Academy, and they grow with the student. Meaning freshman year looks a lot different than senior because we're in a different place in our life. So freshman is a half-a-day retreat. Seniors help lead. It's always held on campus. A good way to start learning about the high school experience and your adulthood in your faith, becoming in charge of your faith journey. Sophomore and junior year, they're going to be one-day whole retreats. We often bring people from outside to help with those retreats, just to give you a fresh perspective, talking about decision-making as sophomores, because there's a lot more responsibility that comes with being a sophomore, along with junior year leadership, because you're right on the cusp of senior year. Then there's senior year. Our capstone of our program is our Kairos retreat. That is a 3-night, 4-day retreat where seniors go off. I take the group of girls, and Father takes groups of boys, and it's a really great time to reflect on who you want to be, the person you've become and the person you're headed to be, your faith life and the relationship you have with God, with yourself as an individual, with your friends and your family. Most students praise us, not because we're so wonderful, but because we give them the opportunity for Kairos. They make it the gorgeous and spiritual awakening that it is, and we're very proud of it. Best part of campus ministry, though, for Father Jeff and I is just the fact that we have an open door office on the second floor outside the chapel, and students come in constantly. We always have lollipops available. That probably helps a lot, but the fact is we are there for students as often as they need us. So if it's just to pop in and say hello, if there's something on their mind, if there's something they need, we're available to them, and they're what makes our day bright.
For more information, please visit our website.